Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up 301 redirect in Shopify. So first of all you have to do is go to the apps.shopify.com website, and from here you have to type in redirect pro, and you will see this redirect pro which has 4.9 rating currently. If I click on it, and then I will click on install, a new tab will open. I will click on install once again. Now as you can see, redirect pro has been installed. Now I will click on get started, click on agree, and then I will close the window. So I will create a new redirect. I will click on create redirect. Now it is asking me to create a redirect, so I will click on create redirect. Now it is giving me two options, redirect from and redirect to. So for example, if you want to redirect from contact page to the catalog page, all you have to do is give the /pages/contact to the redirect from, and give the catalog page, which is /collection/all, to the redirect to page. So once you've clicked on save redirect, it will be saved, and you can see the redirect in the list. As you can see, now we have successfully created a redirect, and if you refresh the page, you will be redirected from the contact page to your my store page, which is your catalog. And that's how to set up 301 redirects in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.